Hello, I am Biljana Jonuska-Stojkova, one of the instructors of the Vancouver Summer Program in Statistics and Data Science. The Vancouver Summer Program in Statistics and Data Science is a 4-week intensive and hands-on learning experience for international and Canadian students. Students will learn about best practices in the field of statistics and data science, while also immersing in Canadian society and culture. Learning statistics and data science opens doors to a wide range of careers, from business and health to environmental research and even development of AI.
We don't just teach students how to analyze real-world data. We also teach them how to think about data and also how to apply statistical rigor to assess their statistical analysis results. With the rise of AI, it's even more important to understand the complexities and limitations of data analysis methods. With our hands-on team project work, we bring in individuals from different academic and cultural backgrounds to simulate real interdisciplinary work. Students also sharpen their communication skills, and their final project report can be included in their data science portfolio.
This program combines 2 intensive hands-on courses in data science and statistics with real-world projects which are designed to build both technical and communication skills. Outside the classroom, students connect through social activities, social outings, and team-building activities. These events are designed to foster friendships, explore Vancouver, and create lasting memories. It is a unique blend of academic challenges and a vibrant summer experience.
So I actually joined this program because I want to become an analyst or a data scientist in the future.
Yeah, for me, I'm taking a double major. My second major is data science. So this was really useful for me to apply in my home university as well.
To me, I applied to this course because my original study in my home uni is quite theoretical level. The study here focuses on our language and its usage is quite useful, and it's also cleared my thoughts on what I'm going to do in my future.
I learned a lot about data, management of information, how to analyze that, and in my profession, as I am a doctor and researcher, I can apply all this knowledge now in the things that I do every day.
I think I really like the scavenger hunt. We made so many friends, bumped into so many new people.
We went out for ice cream and we just sat on the field and we were playing games.
Fantastic, interesting, and unforgettable.
Challenge, complete, amazing.
Versatile, stimulating, fruitful.
We hope to see you next year.